Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find advanced settings. On the second position we've got date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize, but as you can see we cannot unfortunately tap on set time, date and the time zone. It is because we are using network provided time and time zone. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and as you can see right now we can freely set the date. So let's tap on it, and here just by swiping we can pick the date we want to use. So simply confirm it with OK, it will be immediately set. The same situation with the time. Here we can change the time of the day, and here we can pick the hour. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately set also and visible on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone. Just tap on it, pick the region, and as you can see right here we've got the list of all available ones. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one. It can be Singapore. As you can see it will be also immediately set, and be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. I hope that you remember that we just set 7 p.m. and currently we've got 1 a.m. And right here we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. So currently we are using 12-hour format. If you'd like to use 24-hour format, just tap on this option and it will be also immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, manually of course. If you want to get back to all previous settings, so use network provided time and time zone, just tap on those options. And of course if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just turn off the 24-hour one. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.